Hello and welcome to Herman Hits the Road. I'm Ads, and in this video I'm going to be doing something which we all should do to our motorhomes or caravans, and that is check the hoses are still in date. Your gas hoses are still in date. So stick around and stay tuned, and I will show you how to do that and stop your said vehicle from blowing up. So every gas hose should have a date on it of when it was manufactured. This says October 2020, and you're supposed to replace them when they're 5 years old. Right, now looking in our gas locker, our gas hose here, so this is coming from the bottle and straight into the motorhome over here in the dark. This doesn't have a date on it, and we have had this hose as long as we've had motorhome, so that's at least 10 years old, this hose. So we need to replace this. We've also got one for the barbecue, so this is our bottle for our barbecue, and that is also older than 5 years old, so we're going to replace this one and the one from the barbecue. So our gas bottle is refillable using this connector here, and that is connected to the gas bottle with this stainless steel hose, but the date on that is 2026. You probably can't see that, so still a long time to go for this one. First things we want to do is make sure the bottle is turned off. Yeah, then now we can just release the Jubilee clips. Now it might be also worth replacing these clips and even the regulator as well, if that's getting very old too. So we managed to get the Jubilee clip off, but now we can't undo this. It's kind of really gripped onto the regulator there, so we're going to have to use a knife to cut it off.
Yeah, so when you do it, take a sharp knife. Now, a lot of people say you twist these, but you can actually damage the end of the regulator and pull this tube out the regulator. I've seen people do that. So take a sharp knife, find the end of your regulator, and it's usually by that bulge there. Push the knife in and then move it away from you like that. Yeah? And it'll cut, and then you just better twist it off.
There we go, lovely. So now we've got the old hose off, we're going to use that to measure how much we need for on our new hose. So, where? Oh, there it is.
Yeah, so
He's measured it. He's got his hand with it.
Oh, he's measured it.
Yeah.
Okay, so he's measured it. I've got these proper hose cutters.
No. Where my thumb is, look there. Go. That's it. Now twist your cutters gently, and he won't crimp the pipe.
Doesn't crimp the pipe.
That's it.
There you go. Nice clean cut. Now it's just a simple procedure of fitting this back. Oh jeez.
Yeah, it's going on.
Gotta give it a push, boy.
That's not moving. Now if you can't do it, what you need to do is get a Chaz to help you push it on. Yeah, so don't forget to put the Jubilee clips on the hose before you go fitting them. We've been struggling to put these hose on because it is very tight.
It's very cold out today.
But you've got this idea.
Well, what you do. So you don't want to get anything in the regulator, right? So don't go spraying the life out of it. So just take a little bit, spray it on your hand, yeah? Run your hand over the nipple, hand over it like that, yeah? See it? Just coated it, yeah?
Yeah.
It hasn't gone inside. Make sure your clip's on. Get your hose like that, and then just literally, oops,
Smash your knuckles.
put it on like that.
So it's easier, but it's still a bit tough.
Oh no, they're meant to be hard to get on and off, aren't they?
So now we've got the Jubilee clips in, we're all secure. It's just a matter of testing for leaks.
You should get, when you do any work on the gas system of your motorhome, van, caravan, whatever it is, you should really get it checked by a gas safe engineer. And when they turn up, look at their card and turn it over and make sure it's got LPG on the back of the card. It's a separate course because it's a different millibar rate for LPG.
But how are we going to test this? What I want to know.
Right, so the way we're going to test this one is with some leak detection spray.
Right, okay.
So we'll turn the gas bottle on.
Right, okay.
And then we'll spray this on all the joints we've made and all the other joints in there as well.
Yeah.
And if it leaks, you'll get a a bubble, it will bubble.
Yeah.
If it doesn't leak, it won't bubble. But that's the only way, really, unless you've got the kit to do it.
Right.
Of
What
testing
about?
it.
I mean, last time I used.
Soapy, very liquid.
Yeah.
Shouldn't really do that because it's not. It works, but not as good as this stuff.
Okay. All right.
This stuff's refined. It works really well.
Okay. All right. Let's use that then.
So always turn it right on and then back a little bit. And the reason you turn it back a little bit is if it ever gets stuck, you can move it both ways.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And you'll feel it when you open it right up. When you turn it back, you'll feel it bite again. Yeah.
Right.
Just turn it back off of that, and then literally get your spray and just. And then spray all your other joints as well. If there is any leaking on it, you'll see it. That all looks gas sound to me, gas safe to me. Looks tight, gas tight to me. Yeah, all good.
No leaks here.
No leaks here.
Well, so thanks very much for that, Chaz.
You're welcome.
We only need to do the barbecue now, but well, that's easy, that one.
Yeah.
It's the same. It's not in a cramped environment or anything.
Yeah, and if
looking
you're
at me like that.
Yeah, and if you're outside and it goes bang, you know.
Yeah, that's
make
right.
Sure, make sure someone can catch your sausages.
Yeah. So hopefully that's helped you check out your gas hoses in your motorhome. Yeah, like I said, just need to do the barbecue now, and don't forget that for yourself. Don't forget to do the barbecue. Until next time, thanks very much for watching.
Hold on, let me just blow the sun out.
Awful, what a joke.
Terrible joke, wasn't it?
Bye bye.
Eh?